Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopropene is there. You have attachment of phenyl and ketone with phenyl group. You have one hydrogen. You are reacting with sodium hydride. You have to find the final product and you should know whether the reaction is feasible or not. The reaction is not feasible. The reason lies in the aromaticity. Here the intermediate formed is anti-aromatic. Here you have cyclopropene which has alkene group, double bond contribution, and anion which is 4 system which is conjugated and planar and anti-aromatic. It's highly unstable. So the system never goes from stable to unstable. So the reaction is not at all feasible. So the final product don't form, react and stay as reactants. The concept you outline here is the stable intermediate always forms stable product which create the feasibility, and anti-aromatic products never form because of instability. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.